Hi, welcome to the new video of PowerPoint slide design series. In this video, we are going to make this PowerPoint presentation. So, let's get started. At first, add a circle shape. Align it to center. Copy all the icons and place it accordingly. Change the shape color and outline. Select all and press Ctrl+G to make group. Now, add a partial circle shape. Add another circle shape. Format the shape. Now, add text and change the text color. Add a callout shape. Add your desired text. Now, add animation to the texts. Select the slide and press Ctrl+D to make duplicate. Change all the texts and turn the bottom circle shape. Continue the same process for rest of the slides. Now, copy all the shapes and paste it outside the slide. Add a cover slide. Pressing Ctrl, select all the slides and add Morph Transition. We are all set. That's all for this video. If you like the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, and for more upcoming videos, make sure to subscribe the channel. For any query, you can comment below.